What if something as simple as sitting in a hot room could actually help you live longer? Regular sauna use has been linked to up to a 40% lower risk of early death. And it's not just about relaxation. We're talking heart health, improved circulation, even stress reduction. So what's really going on inside your body during those sweaty sessions? And how can you use a sauna safely to get the benefits? Let's break it down. Regular sauna use is associated with a significant reduction in all-cause mortality risk. And that sounds like a bold claim until you look at the research behind it. Large, long-term studies, especially from Finland, where sauna bathing is a cultural staple, have found that people who use a sauna 4 to 7 times per week have up to a 40% lower risk of dying from all causes compared to those who use it only once a week. That does not mean the sauna is magic or replaces other healthy habits, but it acts as a powerful support tool. Think of it like layering benefits on top of exercise, good nutrition, and sleep. When you sit in a sauna, your heart rate increases, your blood vessels dilate, and your body responds in ways similar to moderate exercise. Over time, this repeated stress and recovery cycle appears to improve resilience across multiple systems in your body. If you are considering adding sauna to your routine, consistency matters more than intensity. Even 15 to 20 minutes per session, several times a week, can add up. The key is to make it a regular habit, just like brushing your teeth or going for a walk. Always listen to your body, stay hydrated, and avoid pushing yourself to extremes, especially if you are new to heat exposure. Sauna bathing improves cardiovascular health by mimicking moderate exercise effects on the heart, which is one of the main reasons it is linked to longer life. When you sit in a hot sauna, your heart rate can rise to levels Mashaba to brisk walking or light jogging, and your blood vessels relax and widen. This improves circulation and reduces blood pressure over time. For people who struggle to get enough physical activity, sauna sessions can offer an additional cardiovascular boost, although they should never replace actual exercise entirely. Imagine it as a passive workout for your vascular system. Over weeks and months, this repeated exposure can improve the flexibility of your blood vessels and reduce strain on your heart. A practical way to use this is to pair sauna sessions with your existing routine, such as going in after a workout or on rest days. Keep sessions at a comfortable level, typically 70 to 90 degrees Celsius for traditional saunas, and aim for 10 to 20 minutes. If you feel dizzy or lightheaded, step out and cool down. These small, consistent exposures can contribute to a healthier heart and, over time, a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, which is a major driver of overall mortality. Heat exposure from saunas activates stress response proteins that protect cells and slow aging, which is one of the more fascinating mechanisms behind their longevity benefits. When your body is exposed to heat, it produces heat shock proteins, which help repair damaged proteins, reduce inflammation, and improve cellular function. You can think of these proteins as a maintenance crew that keeps your cells running smoothly under stress. Over time, this process may help slow down some of the biological processes associated with aging. It is similar in concept to how exercise stresses your muscles so they grow stronger. But here, the effect is happening at the cellular level. To take advantage of this, consistency again is key. Regular sessions create repeated mild stress that your body adapts to in a positive way. You do not need extreme temperatures or very long sessions to benefit. Start with manageable heat and duration, and gradually build tolerance. Pairing sauna use with proper recovery, like hydration and cooling down, helps your body complete that stress repair cycle effectively. This repeated activation of protective pathways is one reason sauna use is being studied as a tool for healthy aging and longevity. Frequent sauna use reduces chronic inflammation, a key driver of many age-related diseases, and this is a major piece of the longevity puzzle. Chronic low-grade inflammation is linked to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even some neurodegenerative disorders. Regular sauna sessions appear to lower inflammatory markers in the body, helping to create a more balanced internal environment. When you expose your body to heat, it triggers a temporary increase in stress hormones followed by a calming effect that can reduce overall inflammation levels over time. It is similar to how exercise briefly stresses your system but ultimately leads to lower baseline inflammation. In real life, this might mean fewer aches, better recovery, and potentially lower risk of chronic disease as you age. To make this practical, try integrating sauna sessions after workouts or during times when you feel particularly tense or sore. Focus on consistency rather than intensity, and combine sauna use with other anti-inflammatory habits like a balanced diet, good sleep, and regular movement. These small, repeated actions help shift your body toward a less inflamed, more resilient state. Sauna sessions can improve stress, resilience, and mental well-being, indirectly supporting longer life, and this benefit is often overlooked. Sitting in a sauna forces you to slow down, disconnect, and be present, which can have a powerful calming effect on your nervous system. The heat exposure also triggers the release of endorphins, the same feel-good chemicals produced during exercise, which can improve mood and reduce stress. Chronic stress is not just a mental burden, it has real physical consequences, including increased risk of heart disease and weakened immune function. By regularly using a sauna, you are giving your body a structured way to relax and recover. Think of it as a built-in reset button in your week. To make the most of this, avoid distractions like your phone and treat sauna time as intentional downtime. Focus on your breathing, let your muscles relax, and allow your mind to settle. Even a few sessions per week can help build better stress tolerance over time. This improved mental and emotional balance feeds into overall health, making it easier to maintain other healthy habits and ultimately contributing to a longer, healthier life.